Thank you very much for organizing this conference and giving visibility to this very important subject. So I would like to draw your attention to the issue of multiple marginality. These minority communities are subjected to generally in Pakistan, and these marginalities are stemming from social division. चाहे वो class, caste, gender, religion हो, तो they are somehow the other positioned at subordinated place. So that, and we live in a society which is determined by socio-religious hostilities. There is no, we cannot stay blind to our lived realities, to our challenges minorities face every now and then. And then you need to situate the problem of early, forced conversions or religious conversion in that society. By situating this problem, I would like to draw your attention to the gender dimension. What I have done my research and did a few in-depth interviews, and I came to know that, there is a kind of tension between women choices and patriarchal community claims. So it's a very difficult, it's a very thin line to substantiate, as Dr. Qibla Ayaz has said, but then there are other, difficulties that it's a kind of one-way conversion. Like minority women, especially, they are coming from poor, downtrodden communities, and economic issue, financial disparities they face every now and then. They are not going to school, they are underage, they cannot make informed decision, they have nothing else to look forward. और फिर अगर शादी हो जाए तो शादी is the be all and end all road to happiness, and then they get to that kind of attraction. But then again, there is very, as I said, we live in a society where we come across socio-cultural problems, hostility, religious discrimination, and we face this kind of even girls who get who marry Muslim men, and then their life journeys are not easy. They have to navigate through uneven terrain. Like as Dr. Qibla Ayaz, you have discussed the issue of rituals at the time of funerals or other things. So I have seen in my own research the girls who have even converted to Islam, but again there's a strong shadow of lower caste that lurk throughout their lived experiences. कि उनको चूड़ी कहना, these kind of cliches, derogatory cliches are still used against them. And then there's a question कि जब मर जाओगी तो who is going to जनाजा पड़ेगा, because that kind of religious identities are strongly inscribed in themselves. So there's a very little space. We live in a society, very little space is given to interfaith alliances. So that's these are the problem. And then there are intra-community patriarchal restriction faced by minority women within their community, because there's a strong resentment among minority community कि हमारी लड़कियां उधर जा रही हैं. So they want to control, but at the same time they are venting out their resentment by controlling and curtailing the choices of women. But then there are strong questions that revolve around early marriages. Then I also would like to relate it to the issue of personal laws of religious minorities, which are still not implementable. Sometimes rules or procedures are not made. So there is no kind of protection, legal protections which need to be. If there are certain areas where we come across hearing complaints that it is a forced marriage, but in the court of law girls go and then they make a claim that they are doing it by free choice. So there is this friction keeps on moving. So we have to be very objective in analyzing these stories, because devil is in the detail. But at the same time, because very little space is given to interfaith marriages, so that a kind of hostilities, these girls are being pressurized throughout their lived careers, because girls have to negotiate, they have to change their name, they have to change their dresses, they have to change their social behaviors. So these are the kinds of things which I would like to draw your attention to it. And as I said, that we need to see this problem from multiple dimensions, because we have to situate this problem in a country or in an environment which is already, you know, when there are socio-cultural, religious divisions, strong religious polarization, so they further compound these phenomena.